Hello everyone, it's Ryan Long here from Boyer Ford Lincoln Bobcaygeon, and today we're taking a look at this 2022 Chevy Colorado. Really nice vehicle. This was a local trade-in from one of my customers here, and you're rolling on the KO2 BF Goodrich tires. You can see there's plenty of tread there. This vehicle will come certified by our licensed technicians as well, and just under 90,000 kilometers on this Chevy. Really nice truck all the way around. You have your trailer hitch, your different trailer connections back here. This has a V6 engine, and then you get plenty of space here in the bed. You do have that soft folding tonneau cover as well, which is really nice. Coming around to the interior, really nice seating in the interior. You do have under seat storage back here. Let me just drop those down. And this is exactly how the vehicle was traded in, but of course it will come cleaned inside and out, and with a full tank of gas as well. You have power windows and locks up front here, power glass adjustable mirrors. And then you have your different 4x4 modes here as well, automatic headlights, very comfortable front seats. You do have a power driver seat here as well, and really nice floor mats here also. And like I said, just under 90,000 kilometers here, and really comfortable steering wheel here. You do have your different cruise control settings here. You do have Apple Carplay and Android Auto right here in the center display. You also have your reverse camera here as well. And you do get some power options up front here, your cup holders, your shifter, storage inside the center console area, more storage over here in the glove box, rear view mirror here, and then your reading lights up top. So really nice truck all the way around. If you're interested in this vehicle, please reach out to me at Boyer Ford Lincoln Bobcaygeon and ask for Ryan. You can reach me during business hours at 705-738-2393 and ask for Ryan, or anytime directly at my cell 647-546-9348. Thank you so much, and I look forward to speaking with you and providing you with world-class customer service. Talk to you soon.